So I am back here at Ron Hoover RV and Marine. It is cold outside. I know some people are going to claim it's a lot colder where they're at, but when it's in the 30s with a wind chill in the low teens and humidity in the upper 80s to 90s, pretty dang cold here. Anyways, back at Ron Hoover, just noticed this when I walked in. Voted 2019 RV Business Top 50 Dealer Award. That's really cool. That is a pretty distinguished award as well. So congratulations, Ron Hoover. Anyways, I'm going to work my way back here to take a look at the trailer to see how far along we are. Yes, I have full access to this shop while people are here, of course. Well, that looks nice. So this side hadn't been touched last time I was here. Oh man, I love how they put it right in the channel up there as well too. Man, that looks good. You can see the gold trim across the bottom. Take a look at the wheels and how it all just blends in so well. Coming around, I think he's finishing up the front. Hey, check out that flagstaff. There we go. Almost done. Man, that looks good. This is coming along. There's all the sponsors. -1, which is going to be iconic, and that'll be right here. How's your day going, Brian?
Good. Just trying to get these lights finalized.
This is the weather you're used to, isn't it?
No, not anymore.
That looks good. These graphics look really good, don't they?
It's coming together, get the awning lights in place. Yeah, they work.
Oh, wow. Yeah, let's check those out. There we go. Those are bright, aren't they?
Yeah, I only put 2 in because I wasn't sure.
I don't think you need any more than 2 on the outside here.
The thing is, it's spacing them out with the speakers. And you figure the awning's only coming to about here. And most of your stuff's going to be here. And it's
Yeah, that's true.
and they'll have 2 more of these on the back side of the cargo loading dock. I'll get those installed. Now that it's got this top trim wrapped.
That looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, that wasn't originally going to be. That wasn't part of the original game plan, but I like it.
Yeah, it looks great.
No, it's so much better. Just brings the music into infinity.
Yes, it does.
So he's going to come back. He's got the back door to wrap. Just pulled the lights off.
Wow, so the trim panels are coming on. Oh, can I walk on it?
No, go ahead. I've got it supported with jacks.
That is looking good.
I'm going to get the walls put back together.
Yep, we got some lighting in here. It's going to be pretty well lit up. These lights are nice.
Decided that we're going to do is run. Haven't decided on the color scheme yet. But I cut up a bunch of batten strips because I don't like these seams.
Oh, okay. A lot closer than they'd be on a factory setup,
we're
though.
also going to do that.
Oh, that'll look nice.
And it'll just give the trim a better finish.
Mm-hmm. It's looking good, though. It really is.
So when this thing starts coming together, it's all going to happen at once. And it's just, we'll get the awning on, hopefully get the awning on this afternoon. And I close up this wall. I'm going to get the electrical hooked up here, down into here.
Oh, yeah, for the outside
Yeah,
outlet.
that's the outside outlet there. There'll be another outlet. There'll be another inside drop right here that'll be GFI protected. So we had to bounce it from original board to here and then to the GFI. So we've got to, because it's an outside circuit, needs to be GFI protected.
It's looking good, man. Almost done. All right, guys, so I know a question a lot of people are going to ask is, why so many wire nuts? Well, the only reason he's using wire nuts right now is as a temporary thing. Let's go take a look at this light so we can show you what it's going to look like when it's done.
And this is basically so you can change your lights out. They'll just feed back through here.
And basically for serviceability.
Yeah, it's just, yeah, this is service access. So that's the way, if this fixture goes bad, need to change it out, I can just pull this through here, cut them off right here, and I've still got extra wire here I can feed down through, which will be left behind the wall.
Perfect. So the reason wire nuts initially, in case anybody's wondering, it's because while he's getting all of this set up and tested, you don't just want bare wires exposed. And wire nuts gives him the ability to cap them off until he's ready for everything to be finalized.
So before I bury everything, I got to make sure everything works. And then as soon as I know everything works, I can put the wall panels back up and I'm good to go.
Perfect. So butt connectors, not wire nuts, is what the final project is going to look like. What's going on, guys? So we are back here at Ron Hoover RV and Marine in Corpus Christi, Texas, headed to the back garage. This trailer is just about done. We are actually approaching our deadline to get it complete in just a couple of days. A lot of work going into this. As you probably noticed from previous videos, the wrap is completely on and it looks really good. Now this is Vegas gold, so this isn't the traditional bright gold you might be used to. But as you can see, everything looks really, really good. You can see all the sponsors down below. Again, all this work, which is roughly $14,000 worth of work, is being done at absolutely no cost to the school. And I know the next question is going to be, why wouldn't you just get a whole new trailer? Well, the problem with that is most of the upgrades that are being done to this trailer are cosmetic aside from just structural. So of course replacing the brakes, fixing any problems with it, replacing the floor, the decking, things like that are all part of this build, which those weren't necessarily the most expensive aspects of it. A lot of it has to deal with the things that we're doing as upgrades, adding 2 batteries to the front of it, replacing things like the wheels and tires, putting a higher quality tire, something we still would have had to have done even if this were a brand new trailer. So going to these really nice 2-tone wheels with the Goodyear Endurance tires, as well as, again, all the wrapping, but the customization on the inside, adding E-Track system. Inside here you can see some of the upgrades that have taken place with the floor, including the rubberized flooring here. This is a really cool material. We have some extra stuff back here. I'll show you what it looks like. It's really thick rubberized coating to protect the floor, something that the original trailer didn't come equipped with. It was essentially just a plywood floor. All new walls. We have speakers mounted in the sides. It is controllable through Bluetooth, so the students can actually pair their phone to the speaker system and listen to music, which is nice, especially if they're rehearsing or if they need to practice. You can see we have the charging system down below here, as well as all the connections to get the lights going. We've added a tremendous amount of lighting throughout here. Lighting all across the sides, there in the back. This is the new shelving system, which is going to be used to hold their equipment, including their large kettle drums underneath, some of their equipment on top. You can see we've trimmed it off in the gold and black coloring that is their school's official colors. Everything's looking really good. This is the controller for the lighting on the bottom of the trailer, basically the strobe lighting that they can use if they're going to run this to a football game, homecoming, or down a parade route. From this side you can see that we have the 16-foot awning. This is a battery-powered awning. So this is powered by an 18-volt battery pack. No wires running inside. This is going to give them protection from the sun, protection from rain while they're setting up or breaking down, or just while they're waiting. So this extends out about 8 feet, and this is going to give them a lot of useful space. Plus, they have speakers here. We've added LED lighting to the outside off the side, which wasn't there before. We've also added it here to the back. We've replaced all of the marker lighting with brand new LED lighting as well, so every light on this trailer, even if it was in reasonably good shape, had to be replaced simply because we wanted to make sure it was all uniform. Added some really nice tail lights. These have a little halo light that goes around them whenever they're lit up. All the wiring's been done properly. We've even added a 110 outlet to the outside over here, as well as one up front. And we will have the 2,000 watt inverter generator that will be included with this as well, so they have power on site whenever they are going to be at games or they need to charge their phones or even power a PA system. So once we wrap up the interior, once we get the door hung and we put the finalized brackets back on the back, including around the wheels, we will pretty much be done with this thing. Again, we are pushing the timeline awfully close, as most of these renovations always seem to work out. But I think it looks simply amazing at this point, and the amount of work that the folks here at Ron Hoover have put into this is staggering. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to my channel, because you're not going to want to miss this. We'll talk to you again very soon.